Hey guys, welcome back to my house, guys. Today, that convoy from oil is coming back. See that map? That's the first truck that went by. Wait, is it the last truck? Is it? I think it's that first truck that went by. Jeez. Where they're going for? We're leaving by like this morning. Here comes the other Mac. And the one. And the other one. Ow! But, oh yeah, there's him. Ooh, and the one behind him. And that one. What are they carrying? Are they carrying like water? International over there. They're quick. There's one. Dang, I wish they would stop over here towing in. That'd be cool. They just figure out I'm gonna use some magically. I get in that last map there. And I'm like, yeah, who wants to get me off the horn? Sucks being behind Max. The Max are known for good walking trucks. Alright guys, this is Stay Trucking the call for you guys. Oh hey. Is that BTC? Is that BTC coming by? I think he is. Nope, Vinci. I'm like, I think it is. Nope, Vinci. That's Vinci. They're actually hiring drivers. They ain't Class A drivers, so. Got it. Now they need Class A drivers. Anything with a 53-foot trailer, you need a Class A. CDL for pups. Alright guys, this is Stay Trucking. That's all for you guys. Like and subscribe. It's all for my K-12 class. Welcome to my channel. This is weird saying K-12 class. I ain't change that. So you guys know me in person or from school. Welcome here. This is my channel. And I will be doing the introduction video later. If you guys want to know what I'm interested in, what kind of music I'm interested in, go to my playlists. Watch them. Maybe I'll find yourself a new channel or songs I like. Anyways, bye. Check out my community thing later and maybe see. And you'll see I'll be posting later on my community thing for anyone who knows me. For anyone who doesn't know me, too bad. I'm posting it and if you guys didn't know, posting it, gonna ask you what your favorite song is anymore. So y'all better go to my playlist and start watching it. Maybe you'll find a new favorite song. You know what? Why post a community thing if I can do it now? Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back to my house, guys. See, it's a new video. I don't know why I ain't restart the whole video, but okay. If y'all didn't know, this is my channel. My name's William for my real name, but people will trust find on my PTS on my channel. That's got DFT on that. And a girl driving that little Ford Mustang. Hey, I like it. It's a nice car. Not really my thing saying this nice car. But yeah, it's new. New subscribers, new LNG. Bad vibes, all bad for bad people. Good vibes are for good people and bad people. And we were learning something today, emotional, about dude if people and someone named Hilton or Hitler, the dark one. That's his name on my channel. Hitler the dark one. He killed millions of Jewish people. Hello, CFT. Welcome back, guys. You guys gotta go back and stay home again, but a little hot tropical storm comes tomorrow. Yeah, this is actually fun. Simply not fun, but okay. Let's hope no one dies. That's 2 news. That's 2 recovery saying gonna come straight through a collar and kill a car. At least that's what I think they said. Comment down below, what's your favorite song? And what's your favorite truck, if you have one? If you don't just say I don't IDH or no, don't say IDH, I don't know. And there's a Hyundai right there. Ew. It's ugly. Look at SUV, CRV, SUV. Hey, honey, Nissan. No one, y'all wondering what's my favorite turkey on leash out of the car. Second, y'all wondering what my favorite song is? It's random songs. Like, for instance, like, she's looking at you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no. My songs that I like is like all about that. Yeah, this gonna sound weird. All about that bass. I'm scared. Like Elliot's towing. I know something. I know. Like I'm like, oh crap, it's tow truck. I did not want to do the on-boat. I did for 5 seconds. My second favorite song is something like maybe not Baby by Justin Bieber. Because he got billions of views. Y'all wanna go check that song? I have my playlist. My new one. It's most popular songs of all time. One of them, Brothers of the Highway, is in it for my favorite. Don't be blown backwards. Talk about being blown backwards. Hey, here comes CFT. CFT, the best squad. Hello. Going the back way. Wondering, is that the CFT from Brooksville? I don't know, but whoever is a nice Mac is a nice CFT. What? Man, I meant to say, what the heck international? It's an 1800. Bye-bye, CFT. Love ya. My favorite company is CFT. My favorite YouTuber is oh yeah, one of my favorite songs is She's Looking at You. I'm scared to sing on camera. This video may not even make it onto YouTube now. Y'all know what I mean by She's Looking at You 3 times. Yeah, rockin' Neil, deep back Neil. And my favorite song for my 5th favorite, I don't know, 4th, 5th favorite song. Y'all tell me in my comments We Missy Michael, yeah, you're welcome to comment. I don't care, this is only for my people in my class, but I don't care y'all comment. I don't care my regular comment or comment. My regulars. Y'all, you know who's in my regular list in my brain? Here's who it is in the regular list. Brenda Darlene, and with Mr. Michael. Hinline. Yeah. Now this weirdo thing I started roller for short on. You want about all my pizza? I can't speak. Can't speak. Okay, guys. It means I'm either confused or embarrassed. Oh yeah. If you're wondering, my favorite game is the games I have. For instance, like the chicken factory thing, one of them is the Farming Simulator 2016, not my favorite. IO games like Slither DIO, Slither DIO, and stuff like Slither.io, Paper.io. Those are my favorite games. Hey, look we CFT. What's your favorite Mac? The Mac I drive, obviously. Hello, buddy. Gosh, you got any smoker tires? Aww. I want to see you smoke your tires, man. Although, that ain't good for your tires to smoke them. So I wouldn't advise smoking them. It ain't good for them. All it's actually blowing your level. And add an extra tire mark in the road. Alright guys, stay trucking. Tell me your favorite trucking video if you have one. If you don't, like and subscribe. And take a truck. Show all them. Bye.